Can you move a little, please?
Joshua, Arnino.
Here's at the house.
Nino. Sit down.
Only one song more. Why? Are you finished?
Let me see your work. Where is it?
This one I finished.
Where is it? You show it to teacher.
Maybe open
Joshua,
this.
show it to teacher Bart. Teacher Luz.
Like that straight.
Where's your work?
Like that.
Are you finished?
Straight.
May I see?
There.
Finish with me.
And then there.
Where's your work?
Jesus, baby Jesus. Where is baby Jesus? You should be in the middle. Where's your baby Jesus? There. There. It should be the first one. Baby Jesus should be the first one.
Where's your chair? Where's your chair? Go to your chair.
Oh, where?
Okay, finish your work.
Enough, Chloe.
Like this.
Put it in the middle. Middle.
Just sit down.
Yes, of the house. Middle. Here. Like that. Oh. And then put some. Where's Mary? Here's Mary. That's the mother. Wait.
Just sit down.
Stay quiet.